Hey everybody, today I'm going to teach you how to draw a pencil character, okay? So grab some paper and something to draw with, and let's get started. Okay, a pencil, we're going to start with two straight lines, like this, and then another one right beside it like this. Perfect. Now let's go back to the top over here and we're going to draw a curved line. And then we're going to put two little lines up and then draw another curved line. And then we're going to draw two lines a little longer like that and draw another curved line. And that is the eraser. Let's move down to the bottom and finish the pencil. So we're going to do a little squiggly line across to the other side. And notice that the squiggly goes in a little bit of a curve. It's not a straight squiggle, it's a curved squiggle. We're going to come down to this spot and go down and stop. Go to the other side, come down and stop. To finish off the end of the pencil, we draw a curved line like this, and then we fill this shape in. Good job. Okay, now to make this a character, we're going to add some eyes on the inside. So let's put some round eyes right here and some lines underneath. Now let's give this character some pupils in the eyes. And some eyebrows up here. Good job, we're almost done, keep going. We're gonna go down with these lines right here from the top. We're gonna keep those going down, but we're gonna finish this mouth first. So let's do a curved line for a smiley face. And then another curved line down here. Let's give a line in the mouth for the teeth. And then a curved line in the center for the tongue. And then we'll fill this shape in right here. Perfect. Okay, remember these lines? We're gonna keep them coming down. Past the eyes, past the mouth, there. And there we have a pencil character, good job. But before you go, we're gonna draw one more pencil character. This one's gonna be a little bit different, more Bubba style, okay? So let's come down here and start with our two lines again. Like that. We're gonna follow the same process and we're gonna do the top with a curved line like that, two lines going up, and a curved line again, then two lines going up again, and a curved line connecting them. There's the eraser. We're gonna come back to the bottom and do some squiggles to connect the two, and then a triangle at the end, like that. To finish this end, we're gonna do a curved line and then fill it in. And that's the point of the pencil. Perfect. Okay, let's give this pencil a straight line for the eyes and then two curved lines. And then fill it in. Next, we're gonna draw a mouth. I like to do a curved line like that for a frown and a straight line underneath. Let's have this extend out a little bit. Maybe he has an underbite. Sticking out a little bit, and then some jagged teeth and a tongue. Nice. Oh, I almost forgot my lines under the eyes. Let's give a couple lines for the chin. And even though this is a pencil, let's give him some hair on the side. Like that. Perfect. Now we're gonna finish off with the pencil lines going down the body of the pencil. And then our little details. There. And there we have a pencil. Good job. You did such a good job following along with me today. I hope you'll come back again soon. Bye. If you haven't yet, please support me by subscribing to my channel. Also, visit YayBubbaDraws.com and sign up for my newsletter. There, you will be able to download free coloring books, hear about awesome art challenges, and win prizes. See you next time. Bye!